Goldenrod is a vibrant yellow wildflower that graces fields, meadows, and roadsides during late summer and early fall. While it's often mistaken for a cause of allergies, goldenrod is actually a powerful medicinal herb with a rich history in traditional medicine. In this guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about goldenrod, from its botanical details to its medicinal and edible uses. Variations and growth. There are more than 100 species of goldenrod, genus Solidago, primarily native to North America, though some varieties are found in Europe and Asia. The most common species in North America include Solidago canadensis, Canada goldenrod, and Solidago virgaurea, European goldenrod. These species can vary in height, ranging from 2 to 5 feet tall, with narrow, serrated leaves and clusters of tiny, bright yellow flowers. Habitat and locations. Goldenrod thrives in open fields, along roadsides, in meadows, and even in disturbed soils. It's a hardy plant that can tolerate poor soil conditions, and its widespread distribution makes it a familiar sight across temperate regions of North America and Europe. You'll find goldenrod flourishing in full sun, though it can also grow in partial shade. Part of the aster daisy family, goldenrod belongs to the Asteraceae family, which includes daisies, asters, and sunflowers. This connection is important for anyone who may have allergies to plants in this family, as it can trigger similar allergic reactions. However, unlike ragweed, a common allergen that blooms at the same time, goldenrod does not typically release pollen into the air. Its bright yellow flowers are pollinated by bees and other insects, meaning it's unlikely to be the culprit behind seasonal allergies. Edible parts and uses. Goldenrod is not only medicinal but also edible in some forms. The leaves and flowers can be used fresh or dried to make tea. The young leaves, when tender, are sometimes eaten in salads, though they have a somewhat bitter taste. It's important to note that while goldenrod can be consumed in small amounts, it's typically used for medicinal purposes rather than as a food source. Medicinal uses. Goldenrod's medicinal benefits are vast, and many parts of the plant can be used. Here's a breakdown of its most significant uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Supports kidney health. As a mild diuretic, goldenrod can promote urinary tract health by helping to flush out the kidneys and bladder. It's often used in remedies for kidney stones and urinary tract infections, UTIs. However, due to its diuretic properties, it's important not to overuse it, especially if you have kidney problems. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Goldenrod contains quercetin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This makes it useful for reducing inflammation associated with arthritis, sore muscles, and even seasonal allergies. Wound healing. Goldenrod's astringent properties make it an effective herb for treating minor wounds, cuts, and insect bites. It tightens the skin and reduces swelling, making it a go-to for natural first aid. Allergy relief. Despite the common misconception that goldenrod causes allergies, it actually has antihistamine properties. Drinking goldenrod tea or taking a tincture may help reduce symptoms of seasonal allergies like runny noses and itchy eyes. Toxic lookalikes. Goldenrod does have some toxic lookalikes, so it's crucial to correctly identify the plant before using it. One of the main lookalikes is ragwort, Senecio spp, which has yellow flowers and can be confused with goldenrod at a glance. Ragwort is toxic to humans and animals if ingested. Make sure to note that goldenrod typically has slender, elongated leaves, while ragwort's leaves are more feathery and deeply lobed. Another toxic plant to be aware of is tansy, which has button-like yellow flowers but emits a distinctive pungent odor when crushed, unlike the sweet aroma of goldenrod. How to use goldenrod. Goldenrod is easy to incorporate into your herbal routine. Here are some popular ways to use this versatile herb. Goldenrod tea. Steep dried or fresh flowers and leaves in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes to make a soothing tea. This tea is commonly used for urinary health, digestive issues, and seasonal allergies. Infused oil. Place fresh goldenrod flowers in a jar and cover them with a carrier oil, such as olive or jojoba oil. Let it infuse for several weeks in a sunny spot, shaking the jar every few days. Strain the flowers out, and you have a powerful oil for sore muscles, joint pain, and skin irritations. Goldenrod salve. Turn your infused oil into a healing salve by mixing it with melted beeswax. This salve can be applied to minor cuts, bruises, and insect bites to speed up healing. Tincture. Make a tincture by steeping goldenrod in high-proof alcohol for several weeks. A few drops of this tincture can be added to water and taken daily to support kidney health and reduce inflammation. Caution and safety. While goldenrod is generally safe for most people, there are some important cautions to consider. Avoid use if pregnant or breastfeeding. Due to its diuretic properties and lack of extensive research on its safety during pregnancy, it's best to avoid using goldenrod during these times. Allergic reactions. If you're allergic to other plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed, daisies, or sunflowers, be cautious when using goldenrod. Always perform a patch test or consult with a healthcare professional if you have known allergies. Diuretic effects. Because goldenrod promotes urination, it can cause dehydration if used in excess. Be sure to drink plenty of water while using goldenrod to prevent this. Goldenrod is a truly remarkable herb that offers a wide range of benefits, from supporting kidney health to reducing inflammation and aiding in wound healing. Whether you choose to make tea, infuse it in oil, or create a tincture, goldenrod is a versatile herb that deserves a place in your natural medicine cabinet. Goldenrod is a great example of how nature provides us with powerful remedies right outside our doors. So next time you see those golden blooms waving in the wind, remember that this common wildflower is more than just a pretty face. It's a herbal powerhouse waiting to be used.